I'm gonna win that hat. I gotta go fast. I have found the pepper with an indescribable flavor and just a hint of lime. The Nacho Maker 5000. Ooh, how
The Nacho Maker 5000.
about 2000? No, 5000. Ooh, how about 1000?
1000.
That's the very beauty of the grass and the...
Somebody need to make a Dipmaker 5000 with that Nacho Maker.
It'll be just a minute.
Forcing something to come over doesn't actually make it come over. What's up guys, Rush here, welcome back to another reaction video. Today we're reacting to Sonic Boom Episode 30 YTP The Nacho Maker 5000 by Peter Nealer Archives. This is another Sonic Boom YouTube poop that Peter uploaded on his main channel but ended up taking it down. So I hope this makes me laugh a bit. So you know what to do. The original video for the YTP in the description below, his subscribe button to his archives channel, and check out his main channel so you can check him out and subscribe to him. Without further ado, let's begin.
Building takes teamwork, and a team needs a coach, and a coach needs me, and I need a banana. Sonic, praise
I want a banana.
the coach, and a coach needs me, and I need a banana. Sonic, praise me.
Amy, you've got great grandkids.
No, Sonic, praise my face.
Congratulations, your face
Is expired.
No chili dogs for a month.
Ah,
Come on, Mimi!
Everything has an orange. The Nacho Maker 5000. Zab! Bang!
Tails, Knuckles, get Amy.
I don't have time for this. I need Tails to prep the Tails, and Knuckles to get the Knuckles, and Sticks to get more bananas. If you win,
Sticks to get more bananas. I don't know how he's gonna get those bananas.
Tails to prep the Tails, and Knuckles to get the Knuckles, and Sticks to get more bananas. If you win, I'll chop off my head.
Chop off your head, Tails. That's suicidal.
Another whip?
Eating a children makes
I finished the stage. Kiss me.
My secret weapon.
a bomb. Boom.
If I'm gonna win that hat, I gotta go fast. I have found the pepper with an indescribable flavor and just a hint of lime. The Nacho Maker 5000. Ooh, how about 2000?
No, 5,000.
Ooh, how about
1,000.
This extracts the very beauty of the grass and the...
Of course, it stops midpoint. Fire explosion. Just staring.
What part of didn't you get? It's new snow refit.
Go backwards. Sticks to get more bananas. I don't know how he's gonna get them. Anyways, if you like that funny reaction, check out the original video in the description below and subscribe to my main channel if you want some more fun, and subscribe to Peter and his archives channel. I left the link in the description below. Until then.